big question is, what is India for the Congress party? Is the Congress party really challenged when it comes to geography of India? Because it just in the last 24 hours, two major blunders have been committed by India's oldest political party, compromising the sovereignty of the country. First, it was its official spokesperson, Ajoy Kumar, who called Sikkim a neighboring nation while criticizing India's foreign policy. Of course, he later corrected himself, said it was a slip of tongue. But listen in.
भारत के इतिहास में पहली बार इस तरह से पड़ोसी देशों के साथ हमने जो है संबंध बर्बाद कर दिए कि सिक्किम भी आंख दिखा रहा है, बांग्लादेश भी आंख दिखा रहा है, नेपाल भी आंख दिखा रहा है और श्रीलंका तो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है.
The statement triggered massive outrage and led to Ajoy Kumar issuing a formal apology, calling it a slip of tongue. But one really wonders if this explanation holds water, because if you think about it, would he have mentioned any state mistakenly like Delhi or Punjab or Karnataka or even Uttar Pradesh? But if you were willing to forgive Ajoy Kumar after his regret, Congress party will not let you. Yes, not the BJP, but the Congress party itself. Just hours after Ajoy Kumar said sorry for unintentional slip of tongue, the pre-independence era party's Kerala chapter made another historical mistake. They posted a map that gave away Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to Pakistan. Obviously, the BJP picked it up to lob the Jinnawadi party jab.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की मानसिकता टुकड़े टुकड़े वाली है, इसीलिए वो बार बार अपने ऑफिशियल हैंडल से पीओके को पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा भी बताती है. और अब उसके राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता बड़े नेता अजय कुमार ने बोला है कि सिक्किम, जी हां, भारत का सिक्किम, ये पड़ोसी राष्ट्र है और ये भारत को आंख दिखा रहा है. जैसे बांग्लादेश पड़ोसी राष्ट्र है या नेपाल पड़ोसी राष्ट्र है, वैसे सिक्किम पड़ोसी राष्ट्र है, ये कांग्रेस का मानना है. यही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जिसने अक्साई चीन दे दिया, यही कांग्रेस पार्टी जिसने पीओके दे दिया, यही कांग्रेस पार्टी जिसने कच्चा तीबू दे दिया. इस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भारत के दो टुकड़े किए और अब और भी टुकड़े करना चाहती है.
The question now is, are these so-called errors just aberrations, or given the Congress's track record, can we conclude the divisiveness is in the grand old party's DNA? And on the debate with me, with Tehseen and Anand, is Shehzad Poonawala, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst. Asking you first, Tehseen Poonawala, sorry is okay, but at one point, Congress didn't have the Northeast in their maps. Once they have given or gifted POK to Pakistan. Sikkim is a neighboring country. What's going on? No control over the geography?
Because you're short of time, quick responses. He's apologized, as did the BJP MP Tarun Vijayji, who said on an international forum that the reason India is not a racist country, otherwise how would South India be with India? How would all the black people be with India? Now let me give you the examples.
And San Pitroda and Suresh Kumar?
So you have people who've made mistakes and apologized. Now about the maps. 14 July 2023, the official handle of the BJP Uttarakhand put an animated video of India in which Jammu and Kashmir was shown belonging to Pakistan and China. The Congress media said she raised, an ex-colleague of yours raised that issue. They didn't even apologize shamelessly. The BJP Gujarat on 25th April 2025 showed maps if parts of Aksai Chin and Gilgit were with Pakistan. They didn't apologize for it. They deleted it without apologizing for it. On the contrary, the BJP's official website,
Congress Kerala has not apologized. They've deleted it.
Till March 2014. Showed parts of Jammu and Kashmir in a dotted line as if it was a disputed territory. When Rachit Seth, somebody who I know, pointed this out, after that they had to change it. So the BJP cannot be holier than thou. We will take no lectures from
Shehzad
the BJP.
Poonawala.
Actually, this is not slip of tongue, it is slip of character. And when they are saying that we will apologize, first understand with what mindset they are doing. Jinnah had 2 points. One, impose Islamic law, Islamic country, and divide India. Same thing Congress is doing. They want Islamic law in Patna, you have seen what they are saying, and they want to divide the country. And you start apologizing now. 43,000 square kilometer of POK and Aksai Chin, who gave? Then 1968, 828 square kilometer of Rann of Kutch, who gave? Then 1974 Kachcha Thibu Island, who gave? Then 1962 bye bye to Assam, who said? Then wanted to give up Siachen Glacier? Who said? It was stopped by JJ Singh. So this mindset to divide India and give up territories of India has been a Congress and particularly Gandhi Parivar phenomenon. Therefore, Rahul Gandhi, what he has said, India is not a nation. According to him, India is just a group of states, and therefore working on his footsteps, they are trying to divide India all the time. Kerala Congress has done it today. Tamil Nadu Congress, Karnataka Congress. In fact, Rahul Gandhi did not show Assam as part of his tweet and his map. Now, finally, you know, this is also insult to Northeast. These are the same people who said bye-bye Assam in 1962. These are the people who removed Assam from Bharat Jodo Yatra. These are the people who bombed Mizoram. And therefore, this is the anti-hatred that they have for Sikkim, people of Sikkim. Therefore, in Sikkim, for 41 years, they are out of power. Navika ji, 41 years. That's almost... it's almost the age, most people's age, but now anyways, it's 41
Most
years they are.
age, are you referring to Rahul
referring to
Gandhi?
my age.
Okay. But let me get
Rahul
in.
Gandhi is almost nearing 60, ma'am.
Well, let me get in Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan, the Karnataka Congress put out posters. Now, these are not tweets. These are posters that were put out where the map of Jammu and Kashmir is wrong. Across the party handles in different states as well as the National Congress, do they have some gaps in their geography knowledge?
No, but Navika, I'm sorry to differ with my good friend Shehzad out here. I don't find anything wrong in this. भाई लैंड दिया है तो वही तो दिखाएंगे ना, जिन्होंने कहा वो किया वो दिखा रहे हैं. अब अक्साई चिन्ह दे दिया तो मैप में वही दिखाएंगे, कांग्रेस ने दिया है तो दिखा रहे हैं. अब पीओके दे दिया तो वो दिखा रहे हैं. इसमें गलती क्या कर रहे हैं? Look, you have to, I agree with Shehzad out here, it shows the character of the party. It's not a regular slip of the tongue or a Freudian error or a mistake or a cartographic error or whatever you might say. The point of the matter is that this happens with alarming regularity because they are unapologetic about it. And I'm not talking about today's Gandhi-Nehru dynasty. Do you remember Dr. Ambedkar resigned from the government cabinet because in his words, you listen to his speech that he gave, resignation speech, he was saying Nehru and the company is batting for China. And that was true. They said India should not get the Security Council seat, China should be first. They are the ones who said Sky Chin chalo wo de diya, usse kya farak padta hai? Not a blade of grass grows there. Coco Islands de diye, Kachutivu de diyo. Nepal king is on record saying कि नेपाल इंडिया में merge करना चाहता है, उसको मना कर दिया. तो traditionally they have been treating Indian land as pearls on a necklace. जब मन किया entitled है, ये उठा के कुलभूषण खरबंदा में लगाने ऐसे कहते ऐसे करके फेंक दिया. ये इनकी जागीर है. लेकिन आयरॉनिकली इंडिया का लैंड दे रहे हैं, लेकिन नेहरू गांधी डायनेस्टी अगर आप देखें पिछले 25 साल में इंडिया का लैंड खुद पर्सनली काफी ले लिया इन्होंने.
Well, let me get in Akashdeep Muni. And Akashdeep Muni, is this a Freudian mistake or slip? Because Rahul Gandhi himself has said, we are now fighting the BJP, the RSS and the Indian state itself. Is this how they fight the Indian state itself? Is this just a slip that happens once too often for the Congress party? Or is this somewhere or the other the subconscious that is working?
Navika ji, if you say the slip of tongue to be subconscious and to be Jinnawadi, okay, fair enough. In 2016, when Kiran Rijiju tweeted map of India without Jammu and Kashmir and Northeast, was he Jinnawadi? When MP Manoj Tiwari called Northeastern people foreigners, was he Jinnawadi? When Amit Malviya shared map of India without Sikkim, was he Jinnawadi? When Dilip Ghosh said that all Northeast people who eat beef are not Indians, was he Jinnawadi? When BJP Tamil Nadu, BJP Gujarat, everybody have shared pictures of India without J&K and Northeast. Are they Jinnawadi? And today, let me tell you who actually is the Jinnawadi. When L.K. Advani said Jinnah was a great man, he is Jinnawadi. When M.S. Gowalkar said Jinnah is truthful, he is Jinnawadi. When BJP MP Rakesh Sinha said Jinnah not always communal, ये जिन्ना की तारीफ करने वाले आज जिन्नावादी लोगों को बताएंगे, कांग्रेसियों को बताएंगे, जिन्होंने देश को आजादी दिलाई. एंड गोविंदाचार्य आपके आइडियोलॉग किसने बोला था कि जिन्ना
आकाशदीप जी, डियर आकाशदीप, एक फैक्ट भूल गए आप. जिन्ना पार्टी कौन सी पार्टी से निकला वो तो बताओ. कौन सी पार्टी में जन्म हुआ जिन्ना, सुन लीजिए, कौन सी पार्टी में जन्म हुआ जिन्ना का वो तो बताओ। निकला कहां से जिन्ना, जिन्ना का जिन कहां से निकला। अच्छा, अब दूसरी बात, वन सेकंड, मिस्टर आकाशदीप, यू हैव स्पोकन अ लॉट। मिस्टर आकाशदीप, आपने बहुत, ठीक है आकाशदीप, आपने बोल दिया। बेसिकली आप डिफेंड कर रहे हो ना, आप सिक्किम अलग राष्ट्र है डिफेंड कर रहे हो ना, आप डिफेंड कर रहे हो ना आकाशदीप। अब देखिए, अच्छा
ऑल राइट, शहजाद रिस्पॉन्ड।
नाविका जी, आकाशदीप यहाँ पर क्यों रुक गए? ये वही व्यक्ति अजय कुमार जिसने कहा द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी ईवल मानसिकता की है, हमारी आदिवासी बेटी ईवल मानसिकता की, इसको भी डिफेंड कर लो डिफेंड। सुन लीजिए, अब मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज, तहसीन पूनावाला पे बैठे हैं, इजराइल ने कोई मैप दिखाया था, इट वाज अ ज्योग्राफिकल मैप नॉट अ पॉलिटिकल मैप, उसमें ये जयराम और पवन तो रोज अपॉलॉजी मांग रहे थे इजराइल से, और इजराइल ने तो क्लैरिफाई और अपॉलॉजी भी दिया। अब मुझे बताइए, केरला कांग्रेस से कब मांग रहे हैं और अजय कुमार से कब मांग रहे हैं माफी?
Ajay Kumar has already apologized for it, and Congress will always show the.
Kerala Congress has apologized.
They will obviously. Has the Gujarat BJP apologized? Has the Tamil Nadu BJP apologized?
Well, I'm completely out of time, but geography lessons certainly required for Kerala Congress. This is not the first time they've erred. And Tehseen Poonawalla, you would do well, to look at the IT cell there. And meanwhile, a few lessons for Congress leaders, spokespersons, all alike, who refer to Sikkim as a neighboring country and don't know the boundaries of India. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanking all my panelists tonight, and leaving you with this picture, because this is a perfect example of Aapda Mein Afsar. As the world's most advanced fighter jet, the UK's F-35B Lightning II remains grounded at Thiruvananthapuram airport for 18 straight days. Kerala Tourism has rolled out and promoted Kerala tourism. Is it a troll or is it great creativity? Because God's own country has once again come up with a winner. That tweet that says the British plane doesn't really want to leave because Kerala tourism actually makes them feel so comfortable. What's going on? Is there a conspiracy that we sense there? Well, we'll wait and watch. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe, and I'll be back tomorrow with the News Hour.